Redbubble is a one-stop shop for creating and selling custom apparel. They have a wide variety of products available and provide a great platform for artists to showcase their designs. They have sellers from all around the world and are constantly growing their customer base. In this video, I will show you how to get noticed on Redbubble and how to boost your exposure. I will share with you the best practices for increasing your visibility and earning money on Redbubble. Redbubble has an excellent range of products and designs, so it is important that you figure out what you would like to sell and make sure that you select the right niche. You can find niche ideas on their website, but it is important to understand the difference between a general niche and a long-tail keyword niche. A general niche is one that has many products categorized under it. For example, dog is a general niche. A long-tail keyword niche has a small number of products, but is more specific. For example, blue dog is a long-tail keyword niche. But you shouldn't stop here. If you are starting in any place with a huge competition, you should always find a niche with low competition. This technique is called in the CEO world niching down. This simply means you are finding a niche with moderate or low competition and start designing around this niche. To going with the example of the dog, niching down will mean going for the breeds of dog, for example, blue German Shepherd, and you can go further and make designs only with blue German Shepherd puppies. You will create tens of designs around this niche and then you can expand to other dogs breeds. With this simple strategy, you can get a lot more exposure from potential customers who may not have liked the first design, and you can also become an authority in a certain niche. The best way to get your work on Redbubble is to get started. It sounds simple, but creating and uploading your first design is an important step. You can learn a lot not only about designing for Redbubble, but you will also learn all the important things with your listings. We all know that it is hard to find own design style. You are not sure if the designs you are creating are good or bad. Once you upload them to the platform and get feedback, your skills will improve. You will know which designs were liked by other designers on the websites, and eventually, you will be able to create designs that people love. The best way to get your designs on Redbubble is to focus on long-tail keywords. You can find keyword ideas by simply typing a seed keyword into the Redbubble search tab, or you can use a keyword research tool like Google Trends to find keyword suggestions. In general, you will want to choose keywords that people are searching for, but that are not too competitive. You are looking for long-tail keywords, a combination of 3 or 4 words. With this technique, you can target a specific audience that will like your designs. And if you take your time to put these long-tail keywords into the title, product description and tag section, then you can get a bigger chance to rank your design listings on search engines like Google or Bing. This is a simple yet important advice. Uploading more designs means you get more chances to attract potential buyers to your shop. Where possible, it is best to create several designs for one keyword. I always recommend creating 3 designs for one keyword. Create a text design with one color, then a colorful text design, and then an illustration with a text or just an illustration. This will give people a variety to choose from. And because Redbubble is using a smart algorithm to rank your designs on the platform, the designs people are liking a lot will be ranked better on the search pages. Once you have a few designs on your Redbubble profile, you should start promoting them. You can promote your designs by posting on your social media accounts, using the share buttons on your designs, or you can use your email list to promote your designs if you have an email list. I will recommend that you focus your time on only one social media platform. In my experience, Instagram works best. If you want to use Instagram, you should definitely start a theme page in the same niche as your Redbubble store. This way, you are sure you will attract the right audience to the store. Redbubble is a fantastic place to get your designs out there, and it is easy to get noticed on Redbubble if you follow these best practices. They have a wide variety of products available and provide a great platform for artists to showcase their designs. They have sales from all around the world and are constantly growing their customer base. In this video, I have provided you with some tips and tricks to get your designs into their platform and increase your exposure. Thank you for watching, and if you have some questions, then use the comment section below the video.